In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a beautiful website and make a template in Bolt.new. Open your browser and head to Bolt.new. This is where everything happens. Once you're on the site, you'll see your workspace with projects. You can start fresh with a new project, or if you already have something you like, choose an existing one. For this walkthrough, we'll work from an existing project so we can quickly turn a solid layout into a reusable template. Open the project and look for the option to duplicate it. Click Duplicate. This copy will be your safe playground and, more importantly, your template foundation. Give the duplicate a clear, memorable name so you'll recognize it later. Duplicating keeps the structure, styles, and components you've already dialed in, which saves a ton of time and keeps your design consistent across future sites. Now it's time to make changes inside the duplicated project. Start with your global elements. Update brand colors, typography, and spacing so everything feels cohesive. Adjust the navigation and footer first. Those pieces appear everywhere and set the tone. Move to the hero section to refine messaging, swap images or illustrations, and ensure your call to action is clear. Replace placeholder text with real copy, keeping headings concise and descriptive. When you add images, use optimized files so your pages load fast and look crisp. As you tweak sections like features, testimonials, or pricing, keep components consistent. Reuse cards, buttons, and spacing patterns to create a polished, professional rhythm. If variables or tokens are available, use them for colors and sizes so changes roll out everywhere instantly. Check alignment, white space, and contrast. Small refinements here make a big visual difference. And as you go, toggle between desktop and mobile views to confirm everything stacks neatly and remains readable on smaller screens. When your edits are in a good place, click the Build Now icon. Bolt will compile your changes and generate a fresh build. Watch the status, and when it's done, open the live preview. Click through each page, test links and buttons, and do a quick pass on mobile to confirm nothing is overflowing or overlapping. If you spot anything off, pop back into the editor, make the adjustment, and run Build Now again. A couple of quick iterations here will lock in a clean, reliable result. That's it. You've turned an existing project into a refined template you can duplicate anytime, speeding up future builds while keeping your websites consistent, beautiful, and easy to maintain.